Hey guys, welcome to another video from the Ellis family. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that like notification so that you can be notified of any new videos that we create and upload for your enjoyment. So, in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you some of the equipment that I use to record and upload my YouTube videos for the Ellis family. So, stay tuned. You're going to want to watch this. You're going to want to see the equipment that I'm using, because it might give you some ideas of some of the equipment you can use or you can get to spice up your videos a little bit. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you just a little tour of my YouTube studio. So I finally got it set up. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've recently moved and I finally got the studio set up. So now I'm here to share with you and show you some of the equipment that I use to film my videos. So let's get to it. If you've been watching my videos, our vlog videos, you'll notice in some of our vlogs, the vlogs will stop and we'll cut to where you find me or October talking in our confessionals with our backdrops. I got these really cool paper backdrops. The one you see behind me, I got from Hobby Lobby. And it's just paper. Just like regular flimsy like paper. It's very cheap. Probably like $5 or less or something like that for a roll of it. So let me back it up and I'll show you how small it is though. It's actually a very small sized backdrop. It's small. And then I have this frame that I got from Amazon. This backdrop frame. I got this backdrop from Hobby Lobby, and it's just like a roll of paper, decorated paper. And I got this frame from Amazon. Okay, it came in like a pack, and I'll show you what came in that pack in just a minute. But this frame is short, like you can see the top of it, and if I do like a standing up video, you'll be able to see the top of it. But it's wide, and it's so wide that I can fit two of these small backdrops on it. So this one also came from Hobby Lobby, and it's just the blue. It's just the blue backdrop paper, you know. I like to do my self-tapes on this one, you know. Don't come back. I don't want to see you again. It's too much. And scene. See, this is great for self-tapes. You can either get this one or a green one. They both work for self-tapes. So, I also have another one here in the cupboard, in the closet here. I have this one. It's the colorful one. You've probably seen this one a lot in our videos. It's very bright. And let me show you this one. This is my this one here, this backdrop is my real big paper backdrop. This only one of these can fit on the frame. But even this isn't the biggest size that they have of these, okay? This one is like the real authentic one, like this is like cardboard like paper. It's heavy paper, so when I drop it, it drops, you know. It's just, this one was more expensive than these ones. These ones are just paper, like $5 or something like that. But this one was probably around 50. I don't know the size of this. I do not know the size of this roll. Okay, I can find out the size and I can put it up here somewhere. But this one comes in handy too. But it's just heavy. It's just heavier paper. This is more professional grade paper backdrop for people, for like photographers and, you know, in like real studios. This is a real good one to have, and I probably will order some more of these. But that's what I have for backdrops. I have some options to use, and because I can fit two of the small ones on here, I decided to put two of the small ones, and I can just go back and forth and use the two that I like to use. So that's it for backdrops. So let's get into lights. Lights, camera, action. Here's one of the lights I use. First of all, let's not discredit that natural light is the best type of light, okay? But when we don't have great natural lighting, then this one here is good. This light here actually came with the backdrop. It came like a pack. So this is one of the things that came with the backdrop that I have, the backdrop frame. These umbrellas came with it also, and this kind of gives us a soft look, because this gives us the soft light. So this is our soft light lighting setup right here. I like the soft light. Now I have a few of these, just only have one set up. So usually I'll have one on this side, and I'm gonna put another one on this side so that both sides have that lighting and I can get light from both sides, right? Other than that, I have, you know, this nice little tiny ring light with the phone holder. And I have another one over there, small light holder. I don't like to use the light in the room because it turns things orange. This light that's in here, it turns things orange. So I like to keep the natural lighting in here. All right, guys, so this is what I got from Amazon. It came in this big old black bag. Inside of it, so I already have the backdrop up, and that came with it. It comes in a couple of pieces. It's that piece, and then up top there's about 3 pieces that you put together. And those little clips that you see holding the backdrops up there, those came with the pack as well. So this is a really good pack to have because it kind of comes with everything you need to set up your own studio, right? So inside the pack, all the top pieces and the bottom pieces for the frame came in like this bag here. So it's just another bag that has like the holes to put the poles in. It's very convenient. That way you can take this, like, travel with it. So like if you needed to move it and take it wherever to do a project, you can just pack it up and take it with you. So it did come with, like I said, the light. So I have one light there, I have one light over there, and I have another light in here. I'm not using this one currently. This one's in here. And there's another one that's not in this pack right now. I don't know where it's at. It's somewhere though. I have it somewhere, I'm sure. Along with the lights came the umbrellas. So we have the white umbrella, and then also came with the black umbrellas. And the black umbrellas are reflective. So you would put this on, the light will reflect back, and it would you know, give a different type of lighting. And the white one's a soft light, the black one's a reflective light. So, you know, it came with 2 of each, and four stands for the lights. Oh, and it also came with the light bulbs. You see those big light bulbs in there? It came with those too. So it really comes with everything you need to set up your studio. As for the backdrops, it did come with the white backdrop, the black backdrop, and the green black backdrop. So I'll probably be getting to using these too, but the only thing is with these fabric backdrops, when I was using these for like self-tapes, it made it kind of hard because they came folded and everything. The wrinkles, you'll be able to see the wrinkles in the videos, and I didn't like that. So that's why I got the paper instead. The paper seems a lot better because it's just paper. These fabric ones though, you can see the lines in them. So that was the only downfall with having fabric. I will put the link down below from the Amazon shop that I bought this from. So let's get into tripods and cameras. When it comes to recording my videos, I have 2 options that I like to use. One is my phone. I especially have been recording a lot of my videos on my phone. A lot of the videos I record are going to be on my phone because we record a lot on the go when we're out. And it's just easy. My phone's always with me, and it's just easy to record on my phone. So that's what I'm using right now to record this video. So I'm using my phone, and it works out great because it's just easy to do. The cons about recording videos on your phone is that you have to use a lot of memory, and a lot of times my phone's telling me I can't record because I don't have enough space. So That's one of the cons. But other than that, recording on your phone is easy, it's convenient, and it's effective. So if you don't have a regular camera, just use your phone. There's a lot of video editing programs or apps you can download on your phone. You can record your videos and edit the videos on the apps on your phone and upload it to YouTube. It's just too easy not to. The other option I have, when I'm not using my phone to record, I'm going to use my Canon Rebel TGI camera. So you don't have to have anything fancy, okay? This is not a fancy camera. This is not the best camera on the market. It's just a regular DSLR camera. So this is the camera I use to record videos when I am not using my phone. This is the Canon Rebel TGI camera. And it works great. It works great. It's very efficient. It has this viewer here. So if I was recording myself, then I can see myself. It's a great camera. I like to use it when I'm filming skit videos, like on the October show. I like to use it for vacations, when I'm out on vacations. And this is just the camera that I'll have. The camera sitting on a tripod. I've had this tripod for a while. And I like it because it's small. I can travel with it. It goes really small. I can make it really big. I can just make it really big. This is as high as the neck goes. So yeah, it's good. It's sturdy. Got a lot of support for the tripod here. This is my camera tripod. Right now I'm walking around with my phone tripod. And then this tripod right here with the ring light on it, I can actually take this off and put my camera on it if I wanted to, but it's not as sturdy as this one. And you know, I want my camera to be on a sturdy tripod. So guys, that is pretty much the studio tour that I have right now. Oh, I didn't show you my studio chair, which doubles as our hair day chair. So when I'm doing October's hair, I'm doing my hair. No, I don't use it when I'm doing my hair. Just when I'm doing October's hair, I'll have her sit there if she wants to sit on here. Sometimes she's better on the floor. So, you know, y'all know how it is when you're doing hair on hair day. So this is the studio. And this is how we make our YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, staying until the end, and I hope you enjoyed the tour of my YouTube studio. This is how we make our YouTube videos. I will have the links to the backdrop package in the description box down below. Please like and comment your thoughts on this video. If you have any tips for me, any equipment you think I should get to help make my videos better, please put it in the comment section down below. Send me a link. Tell me what you think. And if you have any advice for a growing YouTube channel, then please put it in the description box. Put it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And I hope that you liked it, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.